Everyone for Against MTVGH. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turning on notifications so that anytime the video gets away,
what I want to put across is very simple. Now, Canada Japan has realized his mistakes he made for fighting no other person than Akufo Addo. You can never fight Akufo Addo and survive in politics. Everybody that fought Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo on a wrong path has never survived in politics, both the NDC and the NPP. All of these people that my brother mentioned right now, Kennedy, Afuku, the rest of those people, Kodjom Pieni and the rest who are coming back and going to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to congratulate him, had fought Nana Addo in the NPP, and they could not stand the man. They all went away. So the man finished with his 2 terms, and then they want to come back. Canada Japan, you did not take a cue from that. You actually spied a lot of money you had and thought you could fight Akufo Addo. How dare you? You cannot fight Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo. Now you see your spiritless level. All of your thoughts were like you thought you had the base and that everybody were going to succumb to you and vote you and make you a flag bearer. And so therefore, you intentionally destroyed the party when we were in power, thinking that can pave a way for you. You lie bad, Kennedy. See, go and talk to your supporters. They are a bunch of illiterate. They don't know the dynamics. They don't even know what is happening on the grounds. They don't know where the world is heading towards. All they are talking about is tribalism, and pains. I just left their page and then I actually jumped on yours, and being right there listening to them, it's all about tribalism. Bawumia is a Northerner, he's a foolish person. Samira is a Fulani, he's a foolish person. And then now Ashanti region is not the stronghold of the MPP anymore. The Ashanti region, MPP stronghold is now the Achim and then the Wale people. This is all they are discussing. And they are not learning, they are not studying antecedents as far as our party is concerned. None of their grandfathers could stand when they made such pronouncements right from 69, 79, when they thought they were so powerful and superior that everybody was going to succumb and kowtow to them. They could not. It should tell you where the party is coming from. And then the people who are involved in this party, they are not blockheaded people. Today, you might think that supporters of this party are illiterate. No way. They've showcased that through the elections we had, currently. They sent a signal that we are smart people. We listen to them on WhatsApp. And then we listen to both sides. We gave 56% to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia because the supporters of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia were telling the world programs, pragmatic measures that their flag bearer, in case he becomes a flag bearer, thinks he's going to put across. And then 56% bought our idea. When you went to their pages, it was all about tribalism. It was all about tribalism. But we want to send a signal to them that they are not the only 3 people in this country. And we are more 3 people than them. They should take it. They are 50-50 DNAs. We are the real people. We are the real people. They should shut up. They can never bring the MPP down. They are just boasting, and we make sure nobody born of a woman can bring the MPP down. It's a formidable party. How dare you? Few group of people living in abroad, buying data, sitting on the internet, throwing tantrums, making noise. They are the base. Bullshit. The MPP is winning 2028, 2029 elections hands down. With this kind of mess this government is taking Ghanaians through, when you cannot even pay cocoa farmers, whilst you've sold over 18% of our gold, you cannot pay cocoa farmers, and you think Ghanaians are going to sit and watch these people aloof mismanage this country and go free? No way. So we have to be focused. And then the information we carried along during the internal elections is what we have to dwell on, master class it, push the agenda, because we have 56%. And so let's target the next election we're coming. Let's focus. We shouldn't be derailed by those illiterates. We should move forward. We should take precision as a goal, and then we move forward. We campaign vigorously. We tell the world and Ghanaians what Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is capable of doing, what he has done as a vice president, and all that. This is our focus. We shouldn't waste our time on those people. I mean, they are wounded. and they are just running helter-skelter, picking anything they see on ground, just want to throw something. At the end of the day, they are all going to become cool. And then if they want to join, they can join. Nobody is going to trail them. We are moving forward. We are focused. We're precision. We are composed. We are moving forward. We are selling the messages of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to Ghanaians. And Ghanaians are also seeing what is happening on the grounds. So, my brother,
Thank you.
Yeah.
Abusuafo, mumyenkotie ofa governor Kwasiam Penny ya, wahye da agimi asamusuwe. Papa Penny to say governor. Muma yenkotie, wasi cocoa price no, world market for na ama na bafom. Enye papa ye ka tell say dollar ne petrol na bafom. And also your world market. Dollar bafom, some say Mahama. Petrol bafom, some say Mahama. Na Mahama tete cocoa akuafo sika so a wo se ende world market papa wa hye da jimi yankasa mesi enipa awada ahu enipa awada ene de won na aye a wa petu se wada wo ye ne den wo se wada na nia wada munya ne na asesi anu onya no hye da the party colors jimi pa NDC fo bi no mu jimi mo mi enkotie governor jimi fo yi e kasa amra
minua say afena wabe pie video nso ase video na like mame don't forget say bon plus and to be update bia ba e ba minua no kokoo kuafo me chia obi bia nwumre me papa me mame no me nananom nyame nhira mo ebo no minim sa aba e na da so ho no mo mu nso mu mame Akufo Addo ebetena akunya no so no spend 6 to 7 years won timi ntu kokoo ma no koduru 1000 Ghana or the best 7 months 1 year pay the two kokoo no ko 3000 something wakoji sika se wo beto koku abetena se disika na maka no eda so da ho no mo a Ghana ntimi ntria ohun se wo ko no se be ya MPP andisi ba wo ani begu asenti no tu koku no kokoduru ba bia se eduru no eno MPP fo na aside for so aban no se ontum omunim se otum a enye yi ti aningwase a no mo pe aban no ena aningwase no asan akwa ka omo no because enye ehissesti don man ma ho ba be ka che koku ani bia se nka aborofo no omo se nko omo nto e koku bia because omo ntia se ye de ye pe atu koku no akwa koduru sa abo no ti papa no ho do ti no no omo kasaye tie na me ka asem nkire hwe emo free 120 aba 60 hwe anwa free 1000 aba 450 eno ma sese yate so no yate so agide ye wono no so won tene de so ye MPP ni no na o expect say ye ntem won so free 120 yate so times 2 now the opposite ye two koku no kosoro ti adansa sa me ka kire wu eno ma bo nyina aba fo be wo se koku bo aba fo de di na no ma nyina abo aba fo na koku de ne bo ma fem esese aba fo bi etimi twia wo ka koku afo nyame mama abotre se papa no ebre so sa obesan tumu koku no amam se 6000 10000 ko betum amam ba sa bredi nka brofo pam ye awrejeti asa de koku na soye na papa na akwa akopa achew amama aba be ka kire se omo to koku na amaye sebe ya because omo so omo ntia sese Ghana nkwa de yetimi atu koku mu ahwira akwa koduru ba de koduru because Akufo Addo ko no hu se okọ no no head atu
abusuafo wo se mu kotie kasa mo hu jimi a wo jimi wo se world market na ati koku so nya John Mahama world market saa so na world market enete dollar so eti petrol so enti no governor jajimie no wanyini papa Penny a wo ba bi nyina so fu dwene wanyini na jajimie mo sha that the party colors ena ya wo metu NDC mu enti jimia na majimi ya wo metu MPP mu she me ba wiase na me hu se MPP bet na wo man akonwan so omo anya hia nka me nkoda police station entwen abato nto abama MPP da eni pa ye hu wo man mu nyina ya MPP nsa no jeje betna so 20 years wodi cool by wasan betna so 8 years 28 years wanye hute atamas ni John Mahama so de di 8 years omo anye hute ena omo sole koye na nye jimi na enipa ye jimi ni abobo adamu a enka NDC ye party a ewe se ye to abama no jeje time primary school ni etua school fees jeje time kofo ba e no be twa mu sie nko ni free na do sa the free SHS be kan ho SS free kofo sa the Ghana card health insurance ena wo ko governor Beni wo sole a wo maso e wo ti voter region ho wo maso de hospital free Ghana card MPP aban ambulance papa NDC tis wo wa hwe ambulance na ye de ko hospital na do the ambulance down new e de be pi wo man so NDC mu aya me sika mo metro ade be ba ko pe bi me na me pe bebere ba ko bi ma me se NDC aban na be ye om JJ Atames John Mahama kule ya wasan akwa aba Mr Adamusa muna mo ntwa se Mahama ene JJ ene Atames omo se nipa miensa we omo so na ebe ye sa ade we mo kam ye ntie mo jimi ache na munya jimi no ate governor wo jimi papa enti wo pa wo ma wo kire wo menyansa mo ma ye mfa practicals nkata kata ye ni o na ndisi ni bibi papa bi ama ye o mo ma ye na practicals no me se me se MPP ba o man ya konwan so na wa ma ye hia ka me ha me ho nkosan line koto aba MPP na mo nyini na mo nsua nyansa na bibi papa bia ni ho e wa ndisi mu a ebeboa o man what a governor wanyini na sua nyansa
Ewusiafo musi aban papa ba ena pride kra eni omanyi musa aban papa pa Ghana for enjoy ena Russian bronia ontimi nka brofu kra mpo yie come let's go nafa hey after Selmo Messiah attempt $14 billion at the Akoto exchange rate. Mo pride na ne come. Let's go. Nice done. Yanka nchira mo says mo to abafua. The gender that suffers most is women. Mo yindi. Nankadie na ebesi. Mama kura obetna so. Enche ye bia LGBT4 ko ye shoot ewe Independence Square. Firi was always one who ze oko Russia. Oko abaya no yan hu faswa wadi aba. A year later, na Russian fuck boy and I hear the results are mama di abramu. Ni nyina gina se muti aban bi so a ube ye ejuma 11 months na yati aka 1 month. Se we show the video footage of omo papa we ejuma papa we di omo. I am daring you to get up and go to that community, pick the data and begin to look. NDC communities. Omo no moto abadema NDC. Omo no moto abadema abanya obeye ejuma yenti awka. Na nado apensu 8 years a otimi fa nipa ejuma ama nipa ye ejuma watua omoka. Kabema di bedi udi ana enya come. Go with me. See my place na afa. Dabi. Because now ye ejuma na nado tua waka. Onyemfa we ejuma kurampo no okushin private sector sene ebe ya omonso betimi abwa afa nipa ejuma. But ene mwahu mutifie mo keka kop mo 2 years na mo womu. Yenyemfa good. Mwa ya fawo ya posti mo. Mo salaries abomo. Ebe yede anipa enye vulnerable. Kevin Taylor tini base yetianika every month na wabefre wa shawo. Ajale bobo. Omu communicators eti omu base every month omu ti omu kanomu ababefre wa shawo. Ajale bobo. Yena yesi. Yema yetiri. Enye juma. Na yemfa ye 9 ansi fomu. Na ya tuwaba pa. Seni ebeya. Amanfo de nyansa anyame de atom omubebubu Ghana on mine sene ebeya. We the women will build on our standard and pride. And don't become this vulnerable. Enye women nkwa na yes ade nu. The only problem is that your money videos and a lot of women are victims. What you saw today, a lot of other young guys are doing it in private. It's just that the gender women are not so stupid like the men. Hardly would you see a woman have an intimacy with a man and video it. By a lot of Ghanaian young boys, you are also fuck boys in older women's rooms. What do you know? But a man pony, I see ye Ghana for ye my na isi fomo. Na ya reassess ye needs and wants. Ni ye show wa country mu. na ya ma leaders a omo brilliant ideas to set up the system to work so we can build on our self-worth and standards. Say ya never ba. Avain papa ba. Yentia waka. Abain papa ba. Unye juma nye. Abain papa ba. Oto wadia ento. Ebe ye den na unko hunse wakola. Oburoni de come. Go with me. Ena dino. A record no ya de ababontin no be posti. Ghana for na yesi ye maye 9 NC fomo. Na ya bande Mahama type from becoming president ever again. Say ya never ba. 2013 to 2016, sa scandal ya muhui esi subio. Abantantanya mamu tantantana ubua mamua. Nipa ho chere omo to the extent say ombe desperate. No obi kura se come, no di echire. Na ya mama, eno na esansi ene. Ni nyina ya tam 14 billion. Ede akoto dollar exchange rate ede abramo. Na siku funds na ya 50 Ghana ma omo tobo gobedino. Ene omo no omo te api ha. Eyi ya mo ma. Efre mu se mu ye cheap. Consequences of bad governance and leadership. It affects women more than. That is why war kurasia. They are looking to save women and children first before men. But say back Ghana among womubu. Ye krampa ye women. We are worse. We are the most vulnerable. Ye weak. Our endurance is very low. Ye timid nkosia semo. Ewa abato sempo ma. Okachire broni bra njindi. Enamu na efra mu asha wa jale bobo. Uwe juma bi ye. Na yetia oka every month. Nanka. Oburoni ben. No obeji onyi dollar krambo nchera ho. Ma wahu. Se buroni no wa dollar oni dollar. Come, let me go and show you my place nafa. Amamu tan. Dead goat amamu wentino. Shamwe we.